Recent estimates indicate that about 5 million people worldwide work either directly or indirectly in the renewable energy sector. In 2011, global investment in renewable energy had increased sixfold since 2004. By 2030, it is estimated that investment in renewable energy will almost double that of 2011, exceed 450 billion, generating more jobs in this sector. In the years to come, we will need millions of qualified professionals to work in renewables. However, the renewable energy sector already suffers from a shortage of qualified personnel. This situation is worsened by the lack of teachers and trainers specialized in renewable energy. Few people know about and have access to renewable energy education and training. This is why IRENA initiated its Renewable Energy Learning Partnership, IRELP. IRELP was developed to increase and facilitate access to renewable energy education and training. This one-stop shop includes a global education and training database, a library of renewable energy training material, and a collection of renewable energy webinars, where we welcome your suggestions for inclusion. IRELP also features e-learning materials within its academy. By linking with other platforms and exchanging data, we ensure that our content is reliable and up to date. In the future, IRELP's forum will provide opportunities for global collaboration between educational institutions to share and devise renewable energy curricula. This professional network will facilitate the exchange between professors, experts, and training providers. So, how can you get involved? Do you recognize the possibilities for interaction between the renewable energy sector and educational institutions? Got some ideas? Want to contribute? Write to us at info@irelp.org. IRELP, your renewable energy future is just one click away.